right, so we're going to raise the first wall of the underwater room. So this is going up now. Ready? Done. So we just got these special clamps that allow us to pick it up from one side and just lift it, hopefully pretty gradually. But we're going to stand back because we don't want it to flip over and fall onto us. So on the back side of this, it's actually cut down at an angle, and same like we do at the all the edges, we bevel it so it allows us to get the welding all the way through. Otherwise, you won't be able to do the welding properly. So yeah, we're ready to lift it up. There we go. I think I'll stand over here because I don't want this thing to fall on me. So it looks like this clamp allows you to pick it up, and it grips it as well. So we're going to be able to lift it up and it doesn't slide out, but it actually lifts it, so you can just lift it with these two pieces, and then we can move it into place. Now, if I remember correctly, our crane isn't good at pulling. It doesn't have a lot of strength to pull from one side or the other. It's good with lifting and dropping. Not bad. There we go. So this is 2 meters. We still need to add a meter. So we're going to, or actually, maybe 4 meters. I'm not sure. There is more though. So this is 2 meters tall right now, but there's going to be another section that's going to be added on top of that. Now we're just placing it into position. Now this is kind of an interesting optical illusion. This is one straight piece of steel that's the same diameter all the way through, but the part that's closest to us right here looks like it's much taller than over here, but it's just an optical illusion. Stand over here.